Hello and welcome to your Tummy Ease mini massage class. The moves in this class have been chosen specifically to help with tummy and digestive related issues such as colic, wind and constipation in baby. When baby is suffering with the symptoms of these conditions, their body is likely to be in a state of stress with high levels of the stress hormone cortisol moving through their body. We want to try and counter this by stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system and the vagus nerve. This is also known as the rest and digest system. Once baby has moved into a more calmer state by releasing feel-good hormones like oxytocin into their body, they'll better be able to rest and digest. We'll also be working to move any wind or stools across to the lower part of the bowel. Be warned, in some babies this can produce instant results.